So now we have a 9-to-1 system I want to teach you. You're going to show that to me as part of a test. You're going to have several sort of challenges, 3 hands-on, 1 written part of the test. Well, that's going to happen soon, and for the students in class, it'll happen this Friday, in just a couple days. So this is now a reference for them to look back on these directions, which I've given them in, I guess, verbally once. In person, now you've got a record of it. And for those of you at home, virtual students, be your first time getting it. I made a video showing you how to make a ratchet. You need to have a base system, and then you're going to attach a rope grab and a second pulley system. And we're going to start out with a base system that's a 3-to-1. So here I have a load. I've got my fixed pulley, but 1 moving pulley. Attached to that load are 3 line segments. Here's the end of the rope going up through the fixed pulley, coming down and then going in and out of the moving pulley. So I've got 1, 2, 3 segments here. As I raise that, it's a 3-to-1 system. So if I can attach a second 3-to-1 system with a ratchet, they get multiplied, and that's how it becomes a 9-to-1 system. That's what we'll do to move the car, and if in fact you do it and it doesn't work, it fails, just attach another ratchet, and now you multiply that times 3, and then you have a 27-to-1 system. It's kind of ridiculous. Hopefully we won't need that, but now you know how to do it. Okay, so first off, we have to have our initial pulley system. As I said, here's our load, there's a fixed pulley. We have 1 moving pulley, and this is a 3-to-1 system, and hopefully you guys are all comfortable with that. The idea about a 3-to-1 versus a 2-to-1 versus a 4-to-1, whenever it's an odd number, 3-to-1, the very end of the rope is tied around the load. It's somehow attached to the load itself. Okay, so I need to basically make a 3-to-1 system. I keep having my markers off the screen. Sorry about that. So I'm going to have another pulley up here. Here's my pulley. I'm going to put this rope up through this fixed pulley. Now what I need to do is set up a rope grab. Some sort of a rope grab here. And I'm going to have that attached to another pulley. So now this is my ratchet system. If you haven't seen that tutorial, you need to watch the video in reverse order. You see that one first for this to make sense to you. So then now my rope here will come through the ratchet, come up there, and this is where I'll pull. And now if I just look here, the rope grab is where now all this load, this system is attached. So it's on the effort side of this 3-to-1 system. This is where I'm lifting, and it should be a lot easier than actually lifting the load directly. But still, that's where I'm lifting. That's where my load is. That's now where the next system ties in. So I've got my rope grab and a pulley coming out of it. This is my load, and between this load line and the moving pulley, I have 3 more ropes. So this section of the compound system is now my ratchet, and is why I have an additional 3-to-1 system, except we're not adding them, we're going to multiply them. So my mechanical advantage of 3 here times my mechanical advantage of 3 here gives me a 9-to-1 system. Let's see if I can't just build that for you really fast. Okay. I wanted to have this show the top there. Okay. So pulley, blue rope, a little bit like my diagram. See how long it takes me to build this. Well, that guy Burke is good. So here's my 3-to-1 system. Hopefully you can see that. What I have is 3 ropes coming out of this load. Now what I need to really do a good job here is have a second pulley. So far, this second pulley is just redirecting my force, making it easier for me to lift. My load is here, I've got the end of the rope tied directly to it, and then I've got a moving pulley with it, and 3 line segments coming out of the load, so my mechanical advantage here is 3 to 1. This one just changes direction for me, it's just easier. Now if I could put a rope grab here, and this is all going to be so squished up and short, I'm sorry, it'll be a little bit hard to see, but you'll be able to see that I'm going to replicate this exactly here. So if I can put a rope grab on my system right here, clip a pulley to it. My pulley has now, lordy, a rope in. I think the ladder is a little bit out of the way there. You can see my second system here has 3 ropes coming out of it. This one from the rope grab, and then from the moving pulley I have 2 more. And now this moves up very little. I can reset my pulley, put it down, pull up again. All this effort, let my ratchet go back down, pull it up some more. All of that rope moving this very little, but I have very little resistance on this end with my my 9 to 1 system. Now, hopefully you can see the parallel between this one and that one, and refer back to this if you need to, and build your own 9 to 1 system. That's our goal anyway. You may play with it, shoelaces, I don't care what you do a drawing of it, and if you find you're stuck and you don't get it, or there's something not working, check with me. Send me an email, send me a text, send me a picture of it. Let's talk about it, but this is what you have to learn how to build in order to get your Master of the Universe badge and pass this test. Ciao.